Okay, so this is asking if the sixth root of 7.2000000 equals the square root of a times the cube root of b, for positive integers a is greater than 1 is b and b is greater than 1. Find the sum of the maximum value of a and the maximum possible value of b. Okay, so it's asking us to factor this into two numbers, capital A and capital B, where the square root, or the cube root, of A is an integer. It's an integer z. I think so. Is an integer. And so is the square root of B. Is an integer. So A needs to be a cube number, B needs to be a square number. So if we take 720000000, we can say that 72 times 1100000, which is 72 is 3 squared times 2 to the 3, and this is 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 to the 6, which is 3 squared times 2 to the 9 times 5 to the 6. So the maximum cube and square number Okay. So 3 will be in the square number, I believe, because here we have as 2. How's this gonna work? Am I sure we need a cube and a square? Oh, wait, what? Yeah. We need a cube and a square number. So if you multiply two cube numbers, of course, that's a cube, right? So we have 3 squared, which has to be in the square factor. So we have, let's have the square factor, the cube factor, square, and the cube. Right? So square, we have 3 squared. Okay. Then we could just have 2 to the 9 and 5 to the 6. But is that all we can have? Because, like, let's say we take 2 out of the 2 to the 9. 2 2s, and we get 2 to the 7, which can't be in the square factor. We take 4 out, we have 2 to the 5, which can't be in it. If we take 8 out, we have 2 to the 1, which can't be in it. Oh, but we could take 6 out. Okay, so let's try 2 to the 6, 2 to the 3, and 5 to the 6. But let's also see here, if we were to take 2 out, then we have 4. If we were to take 4 out, we'd have 2. So this would be, if you take the square root of that, that would be 3 times 2 to the 3. And this would be 2 times 5 to the 2. Which is 9 times 8. Sorry, 3 times 8, which is 24. and this would be 50. And the sum of the max. Oh, it's not at the same time. It's just individually. So the maximum value of A is 24. We know this. The maximum value of B is when this is 2 to the 9. Which would be, sorry, which would make this 2 to the 3 times 2 times 5 to the 2, which is 8 times 25, but it's also 2 squared times 5 times 10. 2 squared is 4, 5, it'd be 200. So the sum of these is 224. Let me check. Oh, no, it's 3200. The quantity is equivalent to 10 times the 6th root of 72, or 10 times the cube root of 3 times the square root of 2. The maximum value of A would be 2 times 10 to the 2, which is 200. Okay. The maximum value of B would be 3 times 10 to the 3, which is 3000. Huh. I don't know. I really didn't know how they got that. They just must have done it in a different way and got a different thing. You know, I somehow must have left some cases out of here. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys whenever I see you guys. Bye.